Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Cult Gamer. So today we are going to talk about the new update that we got on June 29 on Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So I updated the game and played it for a day or two and saw all the things that were new in this update. This was a mid-season update, Season 4 Reloaded. So these are all the things that we got in this update as shown in the picture. You can see new mode, map, operator and all this stuff we got in this new update. So let us see what all we have got in this new update. So first, now the battle royale has been increased to 200 player earlier, which was of 150 players. As they increase the number of players, so the fights are going to be more intense and it would be a little bit difficult to win the battle now. These are the download instructions. You can pause the video if you want to see the size of the update and how to download it. So we have a new contract and a spotter scope. Let's first talk about the contract. The contract name is supplier and contract. In this contract, we need to run from different buy stations within time to get a discount on the purchases available in the buy station. It is an easy to do contract, but I would suggest you that you should keep a vehicle with yourself, as if the buy stations are far, it would be easy for you to reach them. So we also have a new mode known as the Juggernaut Battle Royale. In this, 4 or 5 Juggernaut suit would spawn on the map and people can wear them and fight with the enemies. But once the suit is destroyed, so another suit would spawn on the map. We also have a new scope in this game known as the spotter scope. I haven't used this scope as I did not find it, but here it says that it is a reusable scope and enemies would not be able to see the guns glint, which is pretty good as it would be easy to take down enemies that they would not be able to see us. So we have a new gun in the game known as the Rytec AMR. It is a sniper rifle. I haven't unlocked it, but I will unlock in a day or two and will make a video on it. After using this gun, I will tell you if it is a good or a bad sniper and if it could beat the HDR or the AX50. So we have a new multiplayer map known as the Cherish Park. It is the only 6 versus 6 map that we have in the game in Season 4 and we would not get any other until the Season 5. It is a pretty nice map and it has 3 lanes. I am going to show you the gameplay of it in the next video. We have a new multiplayer mode in this game known as the Team Defender. It is a pretty old mode, but it has returned to the game with some changes. In the previous mode, the whole squad has to defend their flag in order to win, but in this mode, a player of the squad must always be near the flag to get the points in order to win the game. Now let's talk about the changes relating to the weapon. Will reload the mag while trying to reload the launcher has been fixed. Stopping power round will apply to headshots only. Some start and max ammo issues have been fixed with different guns. AX50's damage range has been increased. HDR guarantees one hit kill to the lower torso. Kar 98 increases its ADS speed, decrease to hip spread and increase in damage range. Faster movement speed and increased damage range of MK2 carbine. Dragnov's increased ADS speed, 2 hit kill minimum, gun recoil returns to the center more, faster rate of fire. FAL added 1 hit headshot potential. AK-47's increased ADS speed, CR56 decreased damage range. MP5's decreased damage range, decreased 10mm damage range, reduced long range damage to 10mm ammo. Slight recoil increases to 10mm ammo. Krauss damage range reduction, slight increase to high frequency recoil, reduced recoil compensation and decreased range on Tempest 26.4 Archnet and FSS 20.8 Nexus barrels. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.